In this video, let me show you a review about Mad Muscles. Is it a scam or legit? Mad Muscles is a fitness app that offers personalized workout and meal plans aimed at helping users build muscle and lose weight. While it boasts features like AI driven coaching and a variety of workout programs, users' experiences have been somewhat mixed. Starting with the pros, the user friendly interface makes the app intuitive and accessible for users at all fitness levels. It offers a variety of workouts, both gym based and at home, including options like calisthenics and yoga. The progress tracking allows users to monitor their fitness journey, which can be motivating. However, there are also several cons. Some users have reported subscription issues, including frustrations with customer service responsiveness and helpfulness. There are concerns about personalization as some users feel the workouts are too generic and not truly tailored to their input. In conclusion, while Mad Muscles offers a range of potential beneficial features for those looking to improve their fitness, users should approach with caution. And there you go, that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.